Hello, welcome guys. So today I am going to start the C++ series. As I told you that I am going to come up with the C++ series. So I am here in today. I am going to start the C++ series. So don't talk too much. Let's jump to the window screen and do something crazy coding subjects. Will blow your mind. Hello. So let's start with the course, and in this course I am going to use the C++ compiler, that is an online compiler. And so let's go to my window screen. You can simply type it here, online C++ compiler, and if you type it in the browser, then there are so many links will pop up, like onlinegdb.com, programming.com, tutorialspoint.com, codesave.com. You can use any of them, but in this course I am going to use the programming. So let's go start with the programming compiler. I am not going to install any compiler because there are so many of you who are want to learn to phone. In the phone there is so many apps that provide the compiler, but you can use the browser for typing the code and running it. So let's show you something. At first I start. So that's the first. Welcome to all of you. And what is C++? C++ is statically typed, compiled, general purpose, case sensitive, free from programming language that supports procedural, object-oriented, generic programming. C++ is the mid-level programming language that is developed by Ranjari Scottlaw. Okay. Starting in the 1979 at well, there are so many things you can learn. I will provide you all of this. And so, what is the application of the C++ programming? Application of C++ programming, there are, you can see in the slides that there are five to six applications of C++ programming that C++ is useful in today's world. As I told you that all C++ is not a dying programming language, as all of you know that C is the mother of every programming language. And there are so many applications of the C++ programming, like application software development in programming language, games development. It basically most of the case get used to develop the software field. And in software field there are so many types of software who are treating with C++. In the next slide I will show you that how the C++ code syntax will look like hash include, IOStream using std, and what it means I will discuss it thoroughly in my code editor. So here you can see I am using hash include IOStream using namespace std main. This is the main function. In the main function I am printing out the hello world code. Let's look at the various part of the program. The C++ language defines several data which contains information that is either necessary or useful to your program. For this program there is something you can create it. Okay, so let's go to the window screen and write our first C++ code. Here you can see there is a demo code is present here, and they are using hash include IOStream. The IOStream is basically it is a sub header. In the IOStream there are all types of header files are present there, like stdio.h, all kind of things that is present here. And here you can see they are using std cout hello world. The cout is basically used for printing out any output in the output screen. So if you don't want to use the std library, then you have to put it here like this way, like using namespace std. That means you have using all the std library here, so you don't need to put it here. Now you can run the code, and if you run the code, okay, that is showing something here. So using namespace std. Okay, let's run it now. Okay, here you can see you have write your fast code. Congratulations bro, you have write your fast code, and this is the hello world program. Every programming language we type our fast code, that is the hello world program. You can write something, anything else here, anything else you can write it here. Like I am writing that I am from India, so I am writing that I love my India. Okay, so if I type it here and if I click on the run button, you see there is the magic happening in the output thing. Here you can see it is now hello world. If I click on the run button, you see, okay, wait, yes, you can see that there is I love my India is coming. You can type anything and all the output will happen in there. You can type anything. That I am C that I am typing here. I am C. If I click on it, you can see there is a magic. Yes, I am C. It is coming here. Oh my God, that's blown. Okay, so congratulations, you have wrote your fast code in the output. You have fast code in the browser. Okay. So let's go forward and run continue. That I am going to tell you about. That is there is another concept that is called variable. Okay, it's called variable. There are so many types of there are so many types of variables that there are two types of variable. Okay, I will see you that in my slide. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? C plus identifier. Okay. Variables. Where is the variable? There are so many types of variable, like integer type, and there is a floating type variable, and there is also double type variable, and there is also one called string type variable. You can store their string. I will discuss thoroughly everything in this video. That what is integer type variable, what is float type variable, what is double type variable, what is string type variable, everything I will discuss. So first I am going to start with the integer type variable. Okay, in C++ for declaring any integer type of variable we use int. That's it. Integer means int. Integer short form is int. I am using int, and int, if I type something like int c, okay, I am making the C type integer variable. I am making the C type integer variable. If I write it down like 10, okay, if I write it 10, now you can see write it 10. If I for output we use cout. Okay, so cout C. If I hit it now, you can see the magic will happen here. That 10 what I have stored in the C variable, it will print it out in the browser. Wow, that's awesome, man. Okay, wait, yes, you can see there is the 10 is come up. So that's why we can do that. So one more thing. Next, I am going to store another variable that is called b, and in the b variable I am going to store the 30. Okay, I store the value 30 here. Now, if I print out the 30, so what I have to do? I have to do cout and then b. Okay, now if I hit the run button now, you see that the 10 and 30 will come one after another. There is no space between of them. Okay, I think the network issue. That's why output is not coming up. Okay, let's check it once again. Okay, it's all thing again. Go again. So I have to type it now. There is so many internet issues. That's why I am facing so many type problems. Using namespace std. Okay, so I am storing a integer type variable int a is equal to 10, and now I am storing integer type variable that is b, and I am storing the value is 20. Okay, so if I see out now a and b, you can see there I am using sorry that was no. This will give you, this can give you problem. So at first I am giving the double line, then I will show how to we can print the output in a single line code. Okay, so cout b. Now if I hit the run button, you will see that 10 and 20 will come beside one after another. So if I hit it like that, you can see that there are 10 and 20 counter. There is no space between of them. You can say, sir, if I add here space, the space will come up here. No, man, you are totally wrong. That if I hit the space here, if I run it, you can see the 10 and 20 is coming one after another. So what I can do? So what I can do? We use here, that is something called int l. That is /n. Okay, if I hit it now, you can see the magic will come. Yeah, you can see that the 10 and 20 coming one down another. There's the magic will happen. If I using only the one keyword that is /n. If I use it, then you can see that the magic will happen here. So next one thing, and there is a one thing. Okay, this is okay. Now all of you I think use the calculator, right? All of you use the calculator. No, sorry. At first I will give you the all types of integers. All types of here is I will tell you that the float variable. Now I will talk about the float variable. Evaluative float. Okay, for float variable we will type something float. Float means in the float variable you can store the decimal type value like 3.43425. You can store like 69.0235. You can store it in a float variable. Okay, so float, if I tell is now. Okay, now means I am giving the float variable name is now. Now I am storing the value like 50.3625. Okay, 0.3625. If I print it out, it will print down. It will print in the output screen. It will print it out in the output screen. So cout. If I type like num, if I type num, so you can see there is the output will be 50.3625. So okay. I am waiting. I think the network is both again. That's why it's not coming up. Okay, I am clicking it again. Yes, you can so that. Okay. It gives me 3 and 4 times outputs. I think this come up because this is the glitch of the internet. That's why it's come. Okay. So don't be afraid. So next I am going to introduce with you guys that is the one type another type of variable that is double. Okay, double. I can store like I am giving the double name that n. Okay. Then I am going to store the variable 12.035. Now it is also stored the decimal type variable. But what is the then? You tell me that. So tell me what is the difference between the float and double, and so what is the difference? So that is the main difference between the float and the double is in the float variable after point. Here you can see the point. Yes, it is the point. After point you can store here only 9 decimal, only 9 value, and okay, and in the double you can store 15 value. You can imagine that double is how much big than the float. Okay, and double is that you are going to store like 13.35455 like this way. So this is the big value. And one thing I want to see that I have stored here 12.0365. okay, if I see out here now n, you can see that output will come one after another. So what I can do, I can do this way, like listen, this will put it down here. Okay, one thing I want to show you that if I put here a integer type variable, then what will happen? I put in the double, I store a integer type variable in the double, then what will happen? So turn it and take it out. Okay, I hit, you can see that it's coming 12. Okay, now nothing will happen. You can store the integer type variable in the double, but the compiler treated it as a double type variable. That thing. Next go forward. Next I will talk about